Utilizing Prebuilt Form Recognizer Models in Microsoft Azure for enhanced document processing. Hey, have you ever marveled at how some cloud experts like us can transform heaps of paper documents into structured data so swiftly? Well, let me walk you through the magic of Microsoft Azure's Form Recognizer using their pre-built models, because it's like getting a helping hand to sift through mountains of paperwork in no time. Imagine this: you're a senior cloud architect, and the day starts with a mountain of invoices and receipts that need to be quickly processed. Rather than painstakingly reading through each form, you've got this nifty service at your disposal. Form Recognizer is like this superhero that zips through papers, recognizing fields and extracting relevant data as effortlessly as the breeze. Now let's dive into the whirlpool of details. This service isn't just a one-off tool, it's a form processing powerhouse made up of various specialized models built for different use cases such as on-premises, webcam, and image file processing. Imagine a Swiss Army knife tailored for document processing. It's got that level of versatility. Let's start by understanding how to kick things off, shall we? When you create your cloud environment, ensuring that the environment is tuned for maximum document recognition capability is key. Azure's Form Recognizer is seamlessly integrated into various services like blob storage, Azure Search, and even cognitive services. Imagine you are baking these pre-built models into the mix like perfect spices to your document soup stew, ensuring that you get the most out of their flavors or use cases. Diving deeper, integrating with the Azure portal adds an extra dash of convenience. The portal provides an easy interface for you to set up, manage, and use these powerful pre-built models without having to wrestle complex code or deployment scripts. It's a chef's delight for data-savvy folk. As we navigate through the documentation, we stumble upon the nuances of integrating with Azure Logic apps. It's like a behind-the-scenes look at your kitchen. You peep into the work of Microsoft experts without the hassle of doing the heavy lifting. It's fantastic to know how you can effortlessly include Form Recognizer into your workflows, with Logic apps providing automation to handle the recognized data. Now, let's not forget Microsoft Azure Kubernetes service. Think of it as your document processing workspace on a grand scale, where containers manage to juggle all pre-built Form Recognizer models while processing documents at scale. It's like a symphony where all instruments play in unison, creating melodious results. Diving into the performance comparison of pre-built models, it's clear that the custom model creation path can be a rocky road. By utilizing pre-built models, the journey to document processing can be smoother, with Azure's service being optimized for various document types. Imagine choosing a trustworthy guide on your adventure into document processing. This service is your go-to, ensuring you won't get lost in the jungle of forms. Of course, one must not disregard costs when dealing with services of this caliber. Here, Azure provides fair-priced plans that scale with your processing needs, making it possible to have a budget-friendly yet effective document processing lineup. It's all about finding that sweet spot between cost efficiency and power. Taking a peek into the world of document templates, pre-built Form Recognizer models come with templates that come standard with them. It's like having a template palette at your disposal, ensuring the right colors are used to bring your forms to life without additional fuss. Document security is the unsung hero, and the service is well aware of this. Securely storing, sharing, and processing your documents with Form Recognizer brings about peace of mind. It's a fortress built upon the stronghold of encryption, keeping your data fortified against unwanted eyes. Lastly, let me share something special. If you desire more from the service, Azure's Form Recognizer API is an open door, inviting you to extend and enhance the service beyond the pre-built models. This means creating and deploying custom models is a journey of further horizons waiting to be explored by true visionaries. And folks, I've got to say, even amidst the complexities of this service, the simplicity of deployments stands tall, allowing for straightforward model creation and management, just as in baking where following simple recipes can lead to a successful outcome. But it's not just the technology that makes using Form Recognizer exciting. We're talking about a community, a network of users and experts who share their experiences, insights, and, occasionally, their cooking secrets. It's a goldmine of knowledge, where asking for help is common, and finding it is just a Google search away. Now, I know this dish of pre-built form recognizer models was rich, but it's not too late for the additional condiments you yearn for. Enter Azure Cognitive Services, where you can customize and innovate on this pre-built model goodness, making it tailored just to your taste. But before I bid you adieu and continue my day, let me leave you with a tech tip. The Service Health Dashboard is like the watchful guardian of your form recognizer service. Its daily updates are the heartbeat of service health, giving you real-time updates on the current status of your operations, ensuring everything is humming along without a hiccup. I hope this glimpse through the lens of a senior cloud architect has been as enlightening for you as it is for me. Dive into the world of Microsoft Azure's pre-built form recognizer, and you'll find a toolset that not only enhances efficiency and accuracy but also streamlines document processing into something akin to a miracle. Keen on stepping into this world? Visit my TechLab, subscribe to stay tuned in, and let's make your document processing experience as smooth as a hot knife through butter. Until next time, keep exploring the vast expanse of cloud computing with me, your cloud architect pal.